Understanding Wi-Fi Mesh Systems, a simple guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of Wi-Fi mesh systems. This technology might sound complex, but it's actually a brilliant solution to a common problem many of us face: getting strong and reliable Wi-Fi coverage in every corner of our homes or offices. Let's dive in and demystify this topic together. A Wi-Fi mesh system consists of multiple router-like devices that work together to spread your Wi-Fi network across a larger area than a single router can cover. Think of it as a team of routers that collaborate to ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal, whether you're in the living room, the kitchen, or even the backyard. This system is especially useful in larger homes or buildings where a single router would leave dead zones. Imagine each unit of a mesh system as a mini router, but instead of creating separate networks, they create a single, seamless Wi-Fi network. These units communicate with each other to determine the best path to route your internet connection, ensuring that your device connects to the strongest signal available. This seamless integration means you can move around your space without losing connection or having to manually switch between networks. 1. Extended coverage. Perfect for large homes or offices. 2. Seamless connection. Move around without losing connection. 3. Easy to set up and manage. Often managed through a simple app. 4. Automatic updates. Systems frequently update for better performance and security. While a Wi-Fi mesh system offers many benefits, there are a few things to consider. Cost. They can be more expensive than traditional routers. Placement of units. For optimal performance, the placement of each unit is crucial. Internet speed. Your overall internet speed still depends on your service provider. We hope this video has shed light on what a Wi-Fi mesh system is and how it can revolutionize your internet experience at home or work. With its extended coverage and ease of use, it's a great solution for many, though it's important to weigh the costs and setup requirements. Thanks for watching, and we hope this has been helpful in your tech journey.